Hi everyone, welcome back to the 7 days the challenging series. So this is the fifth day of the talking to the strangers. So it is useful for your fear or just remove your fear or your strengthen your thought process. So yeah guys, in this video we're gonna teach the talk about or how to the approach the strangers, how to normal approach or how to speak with the strangers. So, nothing. It is easily simple, guys. So if you speaking to some of the strangers, yeah, you need the start. Yeah, what are you doing? And what is your job? What are you interested? Do you play some of the sports or the like that way? If you are the student, yeah, you can ask the simple question. This is enough for the stranger conversation. It is easily improve. And also, you don't expect to for anything like I need the professional speak or the like that way. It is not important, guys. So you should like the normally speaking. So that is a enough, guys. Like some of the people that are thinking, yeah, I if I speak if I speaking to strangers, yeah, I should speaking the English, it is the fluent or the confidently, it is the not the game, guy. Initially the every the English, the people there are initially there's so many struggling there are faced the like that me. After that there are the experience. After that there are the lot of the mistakes that done. After that they speaking to the strangers or the like that way. Yeah, you can simply the approach for the strangers. For best example, yeah, you go to the some of the supermarket, yeah, you will approach some of the worker. Yeah, like how much this price, do you have any discount? So like that way you can ask to some of the supermarket people. Like you can ask something, yeah, do you have any changes for 500? So you can ask some simple sentence. So this also making some of the strangers speaking. So this is I mentioned, guys. So you should the practicing for the everyday. So that is a must important. And also the talking to stranger, that is the not easy for you. You should the practicing the everyday. So that is the key, guys. So some in my around some of the noise will be appear. So sorry for that because of I am saying it is a city side. It is the some of the vehicle sound or some other the building construction. It is the game. So if you hear about, so the really the sorry about because of I haven't any the private place. So that's the reason I am taking myself video that documentary. So yeah, guys, you should the stranger speaking. Yeah, if you in your nearby or some other friend. Yeah, hi brother, how are you? Like. What are you doing? Are you studying or the working the job? You can ask the simple question. They will be definitely answered because of they know the these are the basics. Yeah, you can put the practice like that way. It is the key, guys. So if you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thanks for the watching. So definitely we gonna see next video. Don't wait for the perfect time. It is a never came, guys. So you put the practice every day. So that is the important. So yeah, guys, I think we talk about the simple making the videos. If you need any suggestions or if you need any videos, so don't forget to share the thoughts in the comment section. I will wait for those thoughts. So thank you. We're gonna see next video.